Apache Kafka architecture. Here we see a Kafka cluster architecture diagram with producers on the left, the cluster with brokers in the middle, and the consumer groups and consumers on the right. The broker in Kafka typically consists of multiple brokers in order to maintain a load balance. The Kafka brokers are all stateless, so they use Zookeeper for maintaining their cluster state and also the broker leader election. Zookeeper within the Kafka cluster is used for managing and coordinating the Kafka brokers. The Zookeeper service is mainly used to notify producer and consumers about the presence of any new broker in the Kafka system or the failure of a broker in the Kafka system. The producers on the left are used to push data to the brokers. When the new broker is started, all the producers search it and automatically send a message to that new broker. On the right, the consumers, since Kafka brokers are stateless, means that they will have to maintain how many messages have been consumed by using a partition offset. If the consumer acknowledges a particular message offset, it implies that the consumer has in fact consumed all prior messages. In order to ease the use of Kafka in an enterprise environment, it maintains 4 core APIs. One for the producer, one for streams, one for consumer, and one for connect. The producer API allows applications to send streams of data to topics in the Kafka cluster. The streams API allows transforming streams of data from input topics to output topics. And the consumer API allows applications to read the streams of data from topics in the Kafka cluster. The Connect API allows data ingestion from some source system into Kafka or to push it from Kafka into some sink system. The producer side APIs provide interfaces to connect to the cluster and allows the insertion of messages into a specific topic. The steps involved in programming this are as follows. Step number 1, set up producer configuration. Step 2 is get a handle to the producer connection. Step 3 is to create messages as key and value pairs. Step 4 is to utilize the producer connection to submit the messages to a particular topic. And step 5 is to close the connection. By default, a message is submitted to a particular partition of the topic based on the hash value of the key. A programmer can override this with a custom partitioner